Identity. There are many different types of identity. One type is national identity, the way we think of ourselves as the inhabitants of a nation. This often involves thinking of people who are not us, a process we call othering. There's social identity. You occupy different identities according to where you fit in a society. You might be a student, a worker, a mother. Of course, you can inhabit many of these roles at the same time. There's something called personal identity, that sense of yourself as a continuing entity with a fixed identity over time. There's something that is core there, central to you as a human being. In real life and in literature, we find an interplay of all these types of identities, and we can track them in various ways. But there is a conflict about exactly what we're talking about when we discuss identity. Modernism had a sense of identity as something that was disguised, but could, through a series of processes, be found. You could find yourself, find an inner truth about yourself. But for postmodernism, well, it sees life as a series of roles that we inhabit, that we move from one role to the other, seeking recognition. There is no true self to be found when we're thinking about identity. Can you think of different roles and characters inhabit in fiction? How they're pressured by society, by their family, by institutions, and by the media. Can you track how different characters find spaces that they can inhabit, or different identities they move between in different situations? So, good luck this week. Hope to see you on the other side.